Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and in park for safety. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the upright position. This prepares the arm for blade removal, making the next steps much easier. Now let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. Hold the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield. Taking this precaution ensures your safety and prevents damage to your vehicle. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it up until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. This ensures your new blade won't come loose during operation, providing clear visibility. Once the new blade is installed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these simple steps for the other wiper blade on your vehicle. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Enjoy your improved visibility and safer driving experience with your fresh, properly installed blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.